Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Drawing and the course code is Fine 3119. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today in the lecture number 24, I will discuss about the portrait drawing in Zentangle pattern. The name was formulated by Rick Roberts and Maria Thomas, a very well qualified calligrapher, an artist and designer. She was illuminating a letter and had been working on this project for hours. Rick asked her how she felt during this time as she was so quiet and focused. He said this is what it was like during meditation, a Zen-like state. Thus Zentangle drawing pattern was born. This method of drawing anything is possible. One stroke at a time was penned by these two extraordinary artists. Zen is to mean relax. Tangle is to mean pattern. You find a way to relax by drawing repeated patterns. That's what Zentangle is. Zentangle patterns are unplanned, abstract, black and white art made up of beautiful patterns. Watch a Zentangle created from start to finish. What you will need: pencil, felt tip pen, paper, a few basic patterns to reference. Step 1. Outline the shape of your Zentangle. Draw a square border outlining the shape of your Zentangle, usually about 3 inches wide. Step 2. Next, divide your shape into several sections. Use a pen or pencil to draw strings. Strings are the lines that divide the shape into individual sections. Step number 3. Fill in each section with a pattern. Choose a section to start with and fill it with a repetitive pattern. Don't spend time planning a pattern, just draw. Step 4. Untangle with every section filled. Repeat step 3 for each section. Change the pattern and get creative. Step 5. Color or shape if you choose. Add color or shade. Color or shade the areas you did like to define. Tips: don't resort to an erase. There are no mistakes in Zen doodling. Sometime that you thought was a mistake might be the foundation for a new pattern or take your doodle in an exciting new direction. Remember that with Zentangle art, you can't fail. There is no right and wrong because there is no predetermined solution to what you are creating. Once you are a Zentangle master, move on to more elaborate patterns and designs. Challenge yourself to get as intricate and detailed as possible. Play with different pen thickness, shading styles, and color combinations. There are no limit to your imagination. Invent your own patterns and see what your imagination comes up with. Here are some examples of portrait drawing in Zentangle pattern. You can see the portrait in Zentangle pattern style. Another example. Another one. Zentangle patterns. You can see in this portrait drawing. The portrait of Frida Kahlo in this style. You can see different patterns in this drawing. Another example. You can see how create a drawing with rectangle patterns. Another. You can see the Zentangle patterns in her hair. The girl with a pearl and Mona Lisa in different style. You can see in Zentangle pattern. You can see how you design different drawings in this pattern. Frida Kahlo portrait. The man. You can see the Zentangles patterns. You can see how the hairs designed with Zentangle patterns. Try not to have a preconceived idea of what it should look like. Let your imagination move your hand, settle into a meditative state of mind, and you will be surprised with what you can do when you are not focusing on the big picture. So, I am giving you the home task to draw a portrait in Zentangle patterns. Thanks.